Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review Auto Water and Amp Oil Pipe Hose Clamp Pliers for car repair. You've ever found yourself struggling with stubborn hose clamps? This might just be the tool you need. Stick around as we dive into the features, performance, and overall usability of these clamp pliers. Let's kick things off by talking about the features of these clamp pliers. The Auto Water and Amp Oil Pipe Hose Clamp Pliers are designed with convenience and efficiency in mind. The first thing you'll notice is the ergonomic handle. It provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The handles also have a non-slip texture, ensuring a secure hold even in greasy or oily conditions. Now, onto the business end of these pliers. The jaws are precision-engineered to securely grip various sizes of water and oil pipe hose clamps. The adjustable locking mechanism allows you to set the jaw opening to match the specific clamp you're working with. This versatility is a game changer, especially if you work on different car models with various hose clamp sizes. So, how do these Auto Water and Amp Oil Pipe Hose Clamp Pliers perform in real-world scenarios? I put them to the test on a range of hose clamps, from the tightest to the most stubborn ones, and I must say, I was impressed. The grip is firm and consistent, and the adjustable feature came in handy when dealing with different clamp sizes. The long handles provide the leverage needed to tackle even the toughest clamps without straining your hands. One notable feature is the ratcheting mechanism. Once the pliers are clamped onto the hose, the ratcheting action ensures a tight hold, allowing you to work with one hand while keeping the other free. This can be a huge time saver, especially in tight engine spaces where maneuvering can be a challenge. Now, let's talk about usability. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these clamp pliers are user-friendly. The design is intuitive, and the markings on the handles make it easy to adjust the jaw size accurately. I appreciated the durability of the materials used. These pliers feel like they can handle the wear and tear of regular use in a busy garage. In conclusion, the Auto Water and Amp Oil Pipe Hose Clamp Pliers for car repair are a reliable tool for anyone dealing with hose clamps. They offer a combination of ergonomic design, adjustable features, and reliable performance. If you're tired of struggling with conventional pliers or makeshift tools, investing in a dedicated set like this can make your car repair tasks much smoother. If you're interested in upgrading your toolbox with these clamp pliers, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.